Hello everyone, my name is K. Chinchireddy, working as Associate Professor in Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology. This video I will discuss smart grid technology subject. This is the subject smart grid technologies. In the smart grid technologies, now I will discuss smart communication. In the smart communication technologies, I have 7 topics total. First one is the local area network, LAN. Second one is the house area network, HAN. Next, wide area network. Next, broadband over power line and IP-based protocols and basics of web service and cloud computing to make smart grid smarter and cyber security for smart grid. These are the smart grid communication technologies. These are the contents: total LAN, WAN, and HAN, BPL, and IP-based protocols. Okay, these are the contents for smart communication. The definition of smart communication is smart grid. The smart communication technologies enable for real-time monitoring data and control and automation of energy generation, distribution, and consumption. In the smart communication technologies, uh, it monitoring data in generation data and transmission data and distribution data, real-time monitoring and controlling and automation. This is the definition of smart communication in smart grids. Next, this is the local area network diagram, LAN. This local area network, this is the scope. It covers a small geographical area like building or substation. In general point of view, local area network covering a geographical area like buildings. In electrical point of view, it covers the total substation area. Uh, in this local area network, it connected to this is the switch. This switch is connected to the LAN cable and the laptop, and here computer, and these are the computers and laptop printers. These all are interconnected with this switch router. Okay. Here, uses in smart grid, a local area network using smart grid. It connects the sensors and the controllers and smart meters and the remote terminal units within the substation. These are interconnecting. Like example, a computer here connected to the LAN, here uh, laptop connected to the air switch. Similarly, here sensors, controllers, and smart meters and the remote terminal units are connected inside the substation, enables the local automation and control system. Here examples are Ethernet based communication among the control devices. This is the diagram of local LAN. Next, coming to the second one is the house area network. House area network, this is the diagram of house area network. Here, house area network, the computer and the smart TV and the printers and smartphone, these all are interconnected to the smart meter. The smart meter connected to the internet. Okay. Here, this is the house area network. House area network are the inside the consumer house, scope inside the consumer house. In electrical point of view, in house area network in smart grid, connecting the smart applications in home display and smart meters. This is the example of house area network in smart grid. Next, allows demand response and energy usage optimization. Technologies involved in house area network here, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave and Bluetooth. These are the technologies used in house area network for communication purpose. Next, wide area network. This is the wide area network. Is a covers the large geographical area, city-wide or regional. Okay, this is the wide area. It covers the wide area. Uses in wide area network uses in smart grid. It connecting the substations, utility control centers, and the distributed energy resources. Okay. Here first this four LANs. Local area networks are four in this diagram. Four LANs. Local area networks are interconnected to this WAN. In this LAN internally has HAN, house area network. Okay. Here that the users in smart grid are transmitting the data from data to central systems. Example, this wide area network involves examples are fiber optic links and LTE and 5G communication. These are the technologies used in wide area network. Next, this is the diagram comparison of house area network and HAN and local area network and wide area network. In this diagram, here the distance, the house area network, the distance is 1 meter to 100 meters. The range here, the local area, local area network, the range between 100 meters to 10 kilometers. Next, wide area network. The wide area network range from 10 kilometers to 100 kilometers. The range it covers from 10 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Here, the data range is in local house area network, it uses 1 kb to 1 kbps to 100 kbps. In local area network, the net internet speed is 10 kbps to 100 mbps. In WAN out wide area network, the internet speed is 10 mbps to 1 Gbps. The internet range is when increasing the communication, the internet speed also increasing. This is the comparison diagram of local area network and house area network and wide area network. Here, the one side, right side is the distance and left side is the internet range speed. Next, this is the broadband over power line. In this broadband over power line, the internet, the communication through this electrical power line. Here, substation with modern. Here, this diagram. Here, injecting the internet cables are injecting through electrical line. Here, the in this type of broadband over power line, the communication through electrical lines. Here, the definition: internet or data communication over existing power line. BPL used in smart grid use in smart grid enables the data transmission where other broadband infrastructures is unavailable. When broadband internet when internet where internet not available, we will use this broadband over power line. This is can serve both utility and end users. Challenges are signal interference and antennas. These are the challenges in broadband over power line. Next protocol is the IP-based protocols. This is the IP-based protocols. We are using internet cables. Here, two types of protocols is there. One is the IPv4 and IPv6. This is the we are using this IP protocols in desktop desktop CPUs. IP-based protocols in uses in smart grids are standardized communication across the diverse devices, and second point is the enables scalable interruptible communication architecture. And examples are this technologies examples are MQTT for real-time sensors and data transmitting in IoT devices. Okay, this is the diagram of IP-based protocols. Next, coming to the basics of web service and cloud computing to make smart grids smarter. This web server and cloud computing we are using in smart grid for remote monitoring and data storage and predictive maintenance. Okay, we are using for this technology for monitoring data and data storage and predictive maintenance, and advanced analysis for using AML for grid optimization. This is the circuit diagram of cloud computing. In this cloud computing, we are integrated with these routers and switches. Okay, here desktop. This is the total total data here, electrical data storing in this cloud. The technologies are AWS and Microsoft for smart management platforms. Next, last one is the cyber security for smart grid. Cyber security challenges are large attack surface due to the interconnected systems and potentially for physical damage via cyber attacks. And the key security measures are example TLS and VPS. And these are the security standards of NIST and IEC 62351. The goals are cybersecurity, ensure confidentiality and integrity and availability of grid data and control. Okay, thank you.